Marion Anne Perrine Marine Le Pen, sometimes referred to by her initials MLP, is a French lawyer and politician who served as president of the National Rally from 2011 to 2021. She has been the member of the National Assembly for the 11th constituency of Pas-de-Calais since 2017. She is the youngest daughter of former party leader Jean-Marie Le Pen and the aunt of former FN MP Marion Maréchal. Le Pen joined the FN in 1986. She was elected as a regional councillor of Nord-Pas-de-Calais, Île-de-France and Hauts-de-France, a member of European Parliament, as well as a municipal councillor of Henin-Beaumont. She won the leadership of the FN in 2011 with 67.6% of the vote, defeating Bruno Gollnisch and succeeding her father, who had been president of the party since he founded it in 1972. In 2012, she placed third in the presidential election with 17.9% of the vote, behind François Hollande and Nicolas Sarkozy. She launched a second bid for the presidency at the 2017 election. She finished second in the first round of the election with 21.3% of the vote and faced Emmanuel Macron of centrist party En Marche in the second round of voting. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.